Hello, good morning. Today, we are going to learn on how to write a business letter. First, let's talk about what is a business letter. A business letter is a professional formal letter that is sent by one company to another. Also, business letters demonstrate a level of professionalism and class. These letters can be used for professional correspondence between business clients, employees, stakeholders, as well as individuals. Now, let's move on how to write it. A business letter has six main parts. The first one is the sender address. The second one is the date. The third one is the inside address. The fourth one is the salutation. The fifth one is the body. And lastly, the closing. All parts of the business letters are really important to have a concrete, concise, and clear message to the receiver. Moving on, let's talk about the six parts one by one. The first part is the sender's address, wherein this is important to know where the letter came from. Also, it needed to be to the left top of the letter, one line above the date. In addition, you should not write your name on this part. The only needed is a complete address and a zip code of your town. The next one is the date, wherein identifies when the letter was written. Also, if the letter was written over several days, use the date when the letter was finished. The third part is the inside address. It should include the name and title of the person you are sending the letters to. Also, it includes the name of the business and its complete address of it. The fourth part is the salutation. It shows your greetings to the receiver of the letter, wherein the name and title of it should match the inside address. Also, the salutation should be followed by a colon. The next one is the body. It needed three paragraphs of it. The first paragraph should introduce yourself and state why you're writing this letter. The second one is expansion of why you are writing the letter by providing background information and important details. Lastly, in the third paragraph, you may restate the purpose of the letter. Also, thank the person to who you are writing and make an offer to answer any related questions. The last part is the closing mark. Begins one line of the last body paragraph that includes the closing word, like sincerely, and follow it with a comma. Remember that do not forget to leave space for your signature above the printed name. Now, let's talk about the format and tone of the business letters. The first one is the margins, wherein the top margin should be 2 inches and the rest of the margins will be 1. The next one is the black format, which the entire letter is single space and left justified, wherein you don't indent any of the paragraphs. Lastly, the professional tone, wherein makes the letter concrete, concise, and clear by double checking for errors in grammar and spelling. Also, use formal language and avoid using contractions. That's it. Now you know how to write a professional letter. Thank you for watching.